What's up guys, Alessandro here and welcome to this MemeClip update video. Yes, MemeClip guys is one of the newest crypto projects in the early stage phase which I bought in. I bought some coins and right now of course I'm staking it because of the high API, and also I'm very bullish for this project, not only because of the coin itself and also because of their games, but I'm very bullish because of one specific game that will come out in the not so distant future here on MemeClip. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed here. I am Alessandro. I'm updating you every day about the newest cryptos that are coming out, and of course also existing cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum and so on. We are doing price analysis, we're covering new coins, new projects and so on. So make sure to be subscribed on my channel, and with 2,000 subscribers guys, we're gonna do the next $100 worth of meme coins giveaway. So make sure to be always active in every video, always sharing, be subscribed of course, and leave a like, very much appreciated, and every time also comment in my videos, because the more I see, the more active you are, the more I see you, the more likely it is I'm gonna select you in the next giveaway that we're gonna do with every 1,000 subscribers on this channel. So welcome on board. Join also my other social media platforms on X, TikTok, Telegram and so on. Also over there we have over 1,000 followers already, so make sure to be on board everywhere. And of course guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to entertain you. I'm showing everything that I'm doing here in the crypto space, whatever I'm buying and selling, my own price predictions, my own price analysis on different coins. This is all my own opinions and nothing else. If you sign up to exchanges like Bitunix with the links in the video description, you always get some extra deposit bonus and futures trading bonus as well. If you use my links to sign up, they're all here in the video description. Also for Bitunix, Bybit, Binance and so on. And of course, also the newest cryptos that I'm buying, you're gonna find the complete list here in the video description, especially the one that we're gonna cover today, which is MemeClip. And MemeClip has already a game out, which is Subway Meme Rush. This one here is already out. You can play and earn the coins if you want. And later on, you can see that they will bring out more and more games. And one in specific, I'm very bullish, this Doge card. And I hope that this one will be used then on mobile phones a lot, and that people are getting like into this game like on Mario Kart and play the Doge card, not Mario Kart, but the Doge card. And of course, also here collecting the coins, because this is going to be a play to earn game. So imagine you could play Mario Kart and you get also those coins that you can, for example, then sell on centralized exchanges or decentralized exchanges later on once the coins are launching here. And that's why I think that the idea behind this new gaming future, in my opinion, is of course great. And MemeClip is a big project. Also, it is mentioned in different crypto websites very often as one of the best upcoming play to earn project with an own token, which in every game will be the same. You can collect it everywhere. And at the end, this coin, of course, will be launching hopefully on exchanges, tier 1 exchanges and so on. This is still in the very early stage phase, but the good thing is that they have already a game out and that we can also directly buy into the coin, not only play and earn, but also we can directly invest in it and also stake it, because we are still in the early access phase here. And if you want to get access guys, the link is in the video description for MemeClip. I'm gonna put it of course also right here at the top, so you cannot miss it out. And make also sure to join their social media platforms for future updates, and of course also in this channel for future updates, because I think that MemeClip will do big things here in the future and bring out nice games where you can directly also connect your DeFi wallet to the games. Basically play the game, earn the coins that will go directly into your DeFi wallet, and there, for example, also take profits if the coin, for example, is going to the moon and so on. They also have big plans with NFTs here on OpenSea. You can also check it out. Some of them are not released yet, but I think that if the NFT space is coming back, then also MemeClip has the chance to be big here in the NFT space, especially if those games are getting hyped. So check it out guys. MemeClip is a new project that I bought in. This one is also audited by Solid Proof, so everything should be okay. And of course we just have to hope that first of all the coin and the project will come out, which I'm pretty confident since they also have already the first game out, and second also that the coin is going to be a successful one. It is currently one of the most hyped new crypto projects next to Bitcoin Hyper, for example, or also this one here which is where is it here, token 6900, also one of the most favorite coins. The thing is that token 6900, I bought into all of them, but this one is just a purely meme printer. It's just a meme printer, and Bitcoin Hyper is a layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that should come out, which is at the same time also a meme coin. I bought into all of them. You can get it with the links here in the video description if you want to jump on board. And MemeClip is going to be something completely different. This one is really a play to earn game, and also a project which will bring multiple things out, and at the same time we can invest right now in the early stage phase, stake it for 11,000%, which is of course a lot, and this is only valid as long as not too many people are buying into this coin, because the more people are getting on board, the less the API will become. That's why it is good to be an early investor, to stake as many as possible and here get as many as possible thanks to the high staking rewards. You can just connect here the wallet like I have done, then you select the currency that you would like to use, the amount, and then you click here buy and stake, because then your coins will go directly into staking. You can also just buy and later on put it into staking. That's also possible, but since the API is so high, I think it's a no-brainer. Of course, no financial advice, guys. Everything can happen with those new coins, but I'm here for the game. I like play-to-earn games, I like crypto games, I like cryptos in general, I like new projects, and that's why I'm in here. And of course, I'm also very bullish for Dogecoin, because I think that Dogecoin also is about to break out here to the upside. Maybe we can see some more pushes to the downside here, maybe a retest of this breakout, and then move on towards new all-time highs. But we have right now a very big trend in all over the meme coins space, especially with the big ones like Doge, Pepe, and so on. And MemeClip is of course focusing into those hyped meme coins and bringing out games about them, which in my opinion can be hyped. That's why, guys, let's buy into MemeClip. At least this is what I'm doing. No financial advice. This is all your decision. If you're doing some gains, it's all your merit, not mine, because I'm buying in. And if you want to be following me, links in the video description. Otherwise, of course, you can just follow, of course, the team and the project and play the games and earn the games as well if you don't want to invest. But with this high API, of course, and this low price at the moment during the early stage phase, I think that it's not a bad moment to jump into some of those newest upcoming projects that are mentioned in different crypto websites as well. So it's not only me, but different crypto websites that are talking about those new coins. Otherwise, I wouldn't have discovered them. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.